Hi, HCM Deck is a B2B SaaS enterprise platform. We help companies to manage HR learning and development processes. The problem we solve is a huge gap between modern-day employees' expectations and solutions that are available on the market. Small and medium companies still use spreadsheet files to manage, for example, onboarding and training. Enterprises may use only huge, complicated, and outdated systems like Workday, SAP, or Oracle. We believe that learning and development should be appealing, exciting, and with great user experience. And this is what HCM Deck is all about. We've managed to combine complicated enterprise processes with great user experience, automation, and data analytics. Currently, we are growing over 100% year-over-year, having over 100,000 employees on our platform, and managed to acquire awesome customers like T-Mobile, Allianz, or Volkswagen. We also have a great team which push things forward. My name is Simon Insky and I'm the CEO and co-founder of HCM Deck.